Hi, my name is Mike Zima. I'm an SEO expert, an expat based in Mallorca, Spain. Today I'm announcing our Shopify Marketing Accelerator. We've been developing this process for over 18 months, working on hundreds of different Shopify stores, and all of them have one thing in common. The owners of Shopify stores tend to be strapped to their laptop for 15 hours a day, trying to determine where the revenue is originating from and how to maximize sale and increase profits. This is all too common, and during the process we have failed, tested, and perfected different procedures when it comes to SEO, marketing, paid ads. We have the whole Google sphere on lockdown, and that's our expertise. So a part of this marketing suite is you're going to have access to me, and I'm a marketing expert, and I'm going to provide value by consulting on different topics. One of the things you'll learn working with different agencies is there is no true expert in every single field of marketing, and all businesses need a unique marketing mix. Our marketing mix is all inbound and Google Ads. However, we have a diverse array of people in our network that we can connect you with, refer you with, and this is all just through relationships. We have nothing that's convoluted about our process. And what is also unique is, since your marketing mix is unique, and it could take months or weeks or days to see results, and you might love those results or you might hate those results. And that's why we don't lock in any of our customers into complicated 6-month, 12-month contracts or month-to-month cancel anytime. We're kind of like Netflix for marketing. That's how we try to see ourselves, because every website needs marketing, but this is going down the rabbit hole of trying to learn new tools, trying to hire people, and you have more things that are influential to your core business that you have to worry about. So if you can go ahead and fill out the form here below. I'm inviting Shopify stores in my network. I'm personally reaching out to Shopify owners, and I'm extending the offer to start getting pumped about this new procedure that we're going to unleash. And in this process, we're going to unlock a lot of ranking potential for your site. What makes us unique is we're a decentralized marketing agency with experts from all over the world. We draw on talent, and talent is not isolated in the cubicle somewhere. We all work from laptops, and we all work on the internet with an internet connection. So that's what makes us unique. So therefore, we don't pass on any of the overhead, because there's a lot of waste that goes in with agencies, and this is why you can see transparent pricing on our website. You see what you get, and you understand the process from start to finish before you even have to engage with us. It's a new flavor of marketing, and it's also a new flavor of business that we're trying to offer and to disrupt the marketing world. And I hope some of these Shopify stores that we reach out with today, tomorrow, and ongoing will start to work with us and at least start the conversation, because we love connecting with entrepreneurs and like-minded individuals like ourselves. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment here on YouTube if you have any questions. The link to the form is also here, so make sure you fill that out and submit your interest, and you can book a meeting to talk with me anytime about your Shopify and marketing needs.